broadcasters in Legazpi. Bakit ako?
Sir, because sir, you're one of a kind. Baka po ngayon. How are you today? How are you feeling?
Gusto ko sa servisyo.
Howdy, sir! Hello, Brodies! Welcome to another episode of Broad Lunch. For today's episode, I must say, this is quite special because today, here with us is a well-respected and known news director from our province and, of course, our town. He served the industry for more than 41 years already, and now he is currently the news director of DZGB. He is none other than Mr. Edwin Peralta. Hello, Sir Edwin. Welcome to Broad Lunch.
Hello.
Ayan, live na live si Sir sa ating talk show natin ngayon. So before that, Sir, before natin pumunta sa seryosong mood ng tone natin for this interview, may we know, Sir, kumusta ka po ngayon? How are you today? How are you feeling?
Actually, katatapos lang ng newscast ko kaninang alas 5, 5 to 5:30. So, nagmadali ako pa uwi for this very rare interview with you.
So, to proceed to continue the interview, sir, yung media audience po baga, like nag-drive magbasa ng news kung may attractive graphics presentations. Bakit po kaya pag wala noon, hindi siya masyadong nababasa?
Okay. Before, wala pa itong advent ng mga Facebook Live or whatsoever. So more on audio lang. Ang kumbaga nakikinig lang yung audience natin, but ngayon with the advent of this Facebook or Instagram or whatever platform, so ang ginagawa namin, we are live on air through the mainstream through radio, then nag-live din kami sa Facebook, and doon sa Facebook doon na yung kung ano-ano mga graphics or kung ano pa man halimbawa crawl or yung online news, doon na lang nababasa ng mga readers natin pag ayaw nila ng audio. So, ang ginagawa namin is kung ano ang inilalabas namin on air, isinusulat pa rin sa DZGB Online for the purpose na mabasa ng mga audience natin kung ano ang na-air namin sa radio.
Ayan po,
Ganun
sir.
Po.
Ayan. So you already mentioned po parang yung mga strategies nyo po for this time of pandemic din po, like how will you maintain the social engagement po na nangyayari ngayon inside the digital era. So right now po, may I ask po like sa DZGB po, 'di ba? Like gumagawa muna kayo ng mga background investigation, like yung nasabi mo po sa amin kanina na you will have to check first if the news are credible and factual. So with this po, was there an instance po ba na minsan na kayo yung minsan na kayong na-mislead ng mga online trolls? Kasi po 'di ba like sobrang dami ng information outs inside the social media world. Parang hindi na natin alam kung saan po at kung ano yung tamang mga pagkukunan natin ng mga news, which are parang yung pagkukunan natin ng credible news. So in this po, paano nyo po ito na-handle if ever po na biktima kayo ng mga trolls na yun po?
Actually, may sarili kami. Hindi kami basta-basta naniniwala sa mga lumalabas dyan na kung ano-anong mga items sa SOCMED or ano pa man na platform. We make our own news and we investigate, we verify, and we gather all information. Kung baga may lumabas sa mga ganong platform, hindi naman kami basta-basta dyan na nagsabi na ito na yung balita. Hindi. Nagsasarili kami. Kung baga, that information na lumabas we considered as raw material, raw information, and pwedeng baseless pa yan, no facts, no figures, and iba pa. So, we see to it na nagkakaroon kami ng sarili namin na search and research tungkol dyan sa mga information na yan. Kasi, kumbaga, ini-implement namin yung kumbaga, isang strategy na ma-involve yung mga tao sa balita. Yan. Kumbaga, parang investigative journalism ang ginagawa na.
Ayan.
News yan.
Considered news.
Okay.
Para yun,
So, balikan natin
may maraming scoop, sir.
kanina yung kanina, ano pa yung kanina nga? Sabi ko, be true to yourself and
gawin lang tama.
Yes po.
Put your heart in
Into
your work.
Matanda.
Dapat sa puso mo yung trabaho
Ginagawa.
mo, yung ginagawa mo. And kumbaga yung passion mo, yung to serve the humanity, ganyan. Regardless of risk na pwede mong kaharapin. Minsan may mga risk na hinaharap yung mga media practitioners. So, dapat, kumbaga, keep safe always. Stay.
I agree, sir. Ayan. So talaga namang napakadamdamin ng mga sinabi ni Sir, and I hope to all the viewers, you will continue and pursue your passion in this media industry. So thank you so much, Sir Edwin Peralta, once again for being with us. So that is again, Broad Babies. I hope you are already filled with knowledge and a heartwarming message coming from our guest for tonight, which is Mr. Edwin Peralta. So once again, this is Ludmila Esfungo.
And this is Corby Buhawe Flores. This is the Broad Lounge
For tonight.
Thank you
so
and
much.
good night. Bye.
Bye.